How to register for Zangi Messenger account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can register for Zangi Messenger account. Zangi Messenger is a secure and private messaging application. It focuses on providing end-to-end encryption for all communications, including text, files, video, and voice calls. It also allows users to register anonymously without needing a phone number or sharing personal contact information. Also, this app works well even with slow internet connections, which makes it reliable for communication. Now, to create an account on Zangi Messenger, you will need to ensure that you have already downloaded the authentic Zangi application on your mobile device. And once you have done that, open the application, and once you open it, you will land on this home page. Here in this interface, you will be able to see this register button. Simply tap on register and then in this pop-up, tap on accept. After that, you will be taken to a new page. Here now, you will need to allow the permission for notifications. Simply tap on the continue button and then tap on allow at the very bottom. After that, again you will need to grant permission to media. Tap on continue and then tap on allow all or allow limited access. Here a pop-up will appear which asks you if you want to run this application in the background or not. If you want to allow it, simply tap on the allow option, and now here you will need to enter your first and last name. After entering the name, if you would like to add a photo, you may also tap on the profile and then add a photo. Now tap on this continue button. After that, you will need to create a strong password for your account. Make sure the password contains at least 6 characters. After entering the password, enter the same password in the second field in order to confirm. And once both the password matches, tap on the continue button. You'll also get to skip this step, but it is recommended to not to skip this step. Now after entering the password, tap on the continue button and wait for a while. After that, you will see your Zangi number. You can simply note it down and then tap on the continue button. In order to allow the push notifications, here you will need to tap on the continue button in this pop-up and then you will see you have successfully registered for your Zangi Messenger account. Now once you have registered, you can now start using Zangi to send messages, make calls and share files securely. So by following these steps, you should be able to easily register for Zangi Messenger account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.